Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we will continue block 3 How Life Has Changed, and we will study S4, last topic of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Our aim for today is to be able to describe how our environment has changed with time. And now answer this question. You can answer to your partner. If you think of a forest, how do you imagine it to be? What comes to your mind when you think about a forest? So, when we think of a forest, we would imagine trees, some wild flowers, different animals, tiger, lion, deer, bear, crocodile, squirrel, fox, etc. And birds chirping means birds chirping means voice of birds. And forests are a part of our environment or natural surroundings. Environment consists of all that we are surrounded by. Environment means our natural surroundings. That is nature, human beings, animals, etc. And today we will learn about how the environment has changed with time. This is your topic for today, changes in the environment. Okay? Now open your content book and here you can see two pictures. In this picture you can see the same pictures. You need to observe. Look carefully at the two pictures and what you need to do is observe these pictures, look at the pictures carefully and find the differences between the two pictures. You can copy this table and write the differences you observe in these two pictures. And answer these questions also. What do these pictures show? Don't need to write, only answer. What do these pictures show? And how are the two pictures different? This you need to write. How differences between these two pictures. And what might have led to the cutting of trees and what can happen as a result of this. So what are the differences? Is there something missing in the second picture that you see in the first picture? You can write or answer to your partner. So the first picture shows a beautiful forest with trees, while the second one shows the trees cut down in what might have been a forest. By observing this picture, we can this picture shows that trees cut down and this might have been a forest. And why the trees are cut down? The trees might have been cut for clearing the forest to make roads, to use the land for farming or building factories. If trees are cut and the forests are cleared, animals will disappear. In this picture you can see these animals lost their house, which is a forest, because forests are being cut down to make factories, roads, and they are clearing forests for farming also. And if forests are clear, animals will disappear and they will be homeless and hungry unless they find another forest to live. Trees are very useful to us in many ways. Trees give us oxygen and oxygen helps us to breathe. They also give us shelter and animals as well. And trees provide us with fruits. Their parts are used to make medicines and as a fuel. They are home to many birds and animals, and they keep the air clean by taking in carbon dioxide, which is harmful to us, and by releasing oxygen, which is necessary for us. Next questions. How has our environment changed with time? What kind of problems does the environment face today? And what is environment? Environment is the condition of our surrounding in which we live and work, and in natural surrounding, environment is natural surrounding also, like land, water and air, in which human beings and all living beings live. This is called environment, natural surroundings or the conditions in which we live and work. So, how has our environment changed with time, and what kind of problems does the environment face today? You can answer to your partner. So, to time, and what kind of problems does the environment face today? Today, our environment is less green because many forests are being cut down to make roads, factories, and for farming. And in earlier times, it was green. Many forests have been cleared and trees are cut in present time, and many animals such as tiger, lion, monkeys, squirrel, fox, the wild animals are in danger because they depend on these forests for food and shelter. Besides, there is more air pollution because more factories are being built and more vehicles are being used. And these vehicles release harmful gases in the air. They also make a lot of noise, which is leading to noise pollution in the environment. All kinds of pollution are harmful for the environment and for living beings because they affect our health. In this way, our environment has changed with the time, and many type of problems our environment is facing today, like air pollution, water pollution, more use of vehicles, and more factories are set up. Next question. Suggest 2 ways in which we can protect or preserve the environment. You can answer to your partner. So, we can protect the environment by planting more trees, using less vehicles or using public transport and CNG vehicles, and using vehicles only when it is necessary or by sharing vehicles. And by building shelter or protected building for animals, and by making strict laws for the environment, and by reducing the use of plastic and non-biodegradable waste. And there are many ways in which we can protect our environment: by maintaining cleanliness, by not throwing garbage anywhere we want, etc. You can suggest some more ways. And this is, did you know of this blog? Mawlyng Nong village in Meghalaya is considered to be the cleanest village in Asia. And people of Mawlyng Nong village are helping environment by maintaining cleanliness. And this is your work for today. Read the content book topic changes in the environment. Complete your S4, do PQ8 and draw a poster to make people aware or alert of protecting the environment. And this is your S4. Question 1. List 5 things that you see in your surroundings. Observe your surroundings and write it. Question 2. Box A shows a picture of a forest 100 years ago. What do you think it will look like today? You need to draw it. In the box B, you can color it also. Question 3. Write 2 ways in which you can protect the environment. And read the content book properly and then complete your workbook. And you can make your poster and you can fill the color also. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Complete your work properly. Take care everyone. God bless.